This flame scallop is a type of bivalve. It appears to emit luminescent electrical pulses, but actually it is rolling and unrolling the edges of its mantle, revealing special particles that simply reflect light. The display is thought to attract phytoplankton as food, and perhaps frighten off predators like crabs and shrimps. The grey bonnet is a typical sea snail, a type of gastropod. It has a protective coiled shell that it can withdraw its entire body into. It glides over the substrate on its large muscular foot, and at the rear we see the operculum, a hard lid that is used to close the opening of the shell after the snail withdraws into it. Two simple eyes peer out from under the front of the shell, and important sensory feedback also comes from the two tentacles. To one side is the inhalant siphon, a tube that the sea snail uses to draw in water for respiration. The anatomy of the Vomer conch is different. Its mouth is much more obvious at the end of a long protrusion called a proboscis. It is strictly a herbivore, and it uses the proboscis for locating and eating algae growing in the sand. Its eyes are much more prominent too, at the end of long stalks, and jutting out from these stalks are two highly sensitive tentacles. Rather than gliding, it uses its operculum to drag itself along the bottom in a lurching motion. Conchs are a popular food, and their shells have symbolic and religious significance in some cultures. They have been used for everything from musical instruments to weapons to ink holders. Here is that white-spotted hermit crab we met earlier, living in its recycled gastropod shell. In this case, the original inhabitant was a cone. The main sensory device of cones like this ivory cone is the siphon itself, which contains highly sensitive chemoreceptors. If it detects suitable prey, the cone will unleash a harpoon from its proboscis containing a highly venomous neurotoxin powerful enough to kill humans. A huge and fascinating diversity of sea slugs, or apistobranchs, are found in the Lembeh Strait.